The Steam Deck is getting a brand new color starting next week. Valve announced on Monday that a white version of the Steam Deck OLED will be available in limited quantities starting November 18th, offering users who don't want to go through the trouble of purchasing custom skins a bit more variety. Valve said it has been super happy with the reception of Steam Deck since the team first launched the LCD version back in 2022. The company continued, "We're curious to see what the response is, and we'll use what we learn to inform future decisions about any potential new color variants down the line. We are also curious. Let's dive into what's new." The limited edition Steam Deck showcases a stunning white and grey colorway, marking a bold departure from the traditional black design. Following the success of its smoky, translucent variant, this new aesthetic brings a premium, almost PS5-like appeal to the handheld space. The device maintains the ergonomic comfort that made the original Steam Deck popular with its well-positioned controls and grippy texture. Compared to competitors like the ROG Ally's gamer-centric aesthetic or the Switch's minimalist approach, the white Steam Deck strikes a sophisticated balance. The exclusive white carrying case features a removable liner and an improved closure mechanism with Velcro locks, preventing accidental opening. Even the microfiber cleaning cloth has been redesigned in white with a minimalist black logo. The 7.4-inch HDR OLED display remains the main attraction of this limited edition, delivering deeper blacks and more vibrant colors than both its LCD predecessor and competitors. The 1280x800 resolution might seem modest compared to the ROG Ally's 1080p screen, but the OLED technology makes games pop with unmatched clarity. With up to 90 Hz refresh rate, gaming feels noticeably smoother than the Switch OLED's 60 Hz panel, while the premium anti-glare etched glass reduces reflections significantly. The narrower screen bezels enhance the overall aesthetic, making the device appear more modern. HDR support adds another dimension to compatible games, with titles like Death Stranding showcasing particularly impressive contrast and color range. In darker environments, the OLED screen's ability to completely turn off pixels results in true blacks, creating an immersive gaming experience. Powered by a more efficient 6nm APU, the Steam Deck OLED Edition maintains the powerful performance that put handhelds on the map. The 1TB NVMe SSD offers plenty of storage for your gaming library, outpacing the Switch's 64GB and matching the ROG Ally's top configuration. The improved Wi-Fi 6E capability ensures faster downloads and smoother remote play compared to the original Steam Deck's Wi-Fi 5. While the core processing power remains similar to the standard OLED model, the thermal design has been refined, resulting in quieter fan operation under heavy loads. The device retains full compatibility with the vast Steam library, though some popular games like GTA 5 and Apex Legends have recently lost official Steam Deck support. The improved components contribute to better overall efficiency without compromising gaming performance. This limited edition comes with exclusive digital bonuses that set it apart from the standard model. The custom startup movie and virtual keyboard theme add personality to the user experience, while the Steam Profile Bundle lets you showcase your limited edition ownership. The Steam OS 3.5 Plus environment continues to evolve, offering features like per-game performance profiles, TDP limiting, and refresh rate adjustment for optimal gaming. Unlike the ROG Ally's Windows setup, the streamlined gaming-first interface makes navigation easier. The dual trackpads provide mouse-like precision for PC games, while the 4 rear buttons offer customization options beyond traditional controllers. The improved haptics delivers more enhanced feedback than the Switch, and the built-in gyro controls improve aiming in supported games. Quick resume and shader pre-caching features minimize waiting times between gaming sessions. Performance-wise, the device handles most modern titles impressively, with games like Shadow of Mordor hitting up to 158 FPS compared to the original's 145 FPS. While graphically intensive games draw around 22 watt power, there's plenty of headroom to enhance visual settings when limiting frame rates to the display's 90 Hz maximum. The 50 watt-hour battery, coupled with the energy-efficient display and 6 nm APU, delivers impressive battery life ranging from 3 to 12 hours, depending on your gaming demands. Less intensive games can run significantly longer than on the original LCD model, while demanding titles still manage better runtime than the ROG Ally. The included 45-watt power supply with a generous 2.5-meter cable ensures quick charging when needed. Battery performance varies significantly based on brightness settings, refresh rate, and game optimization. While the Switch still leads in battery efficiency for less demanding games, the Steam Deck OLED maintains better battery backup when running modern PC titles at higher settings. At $679, the limited edition white costs $30 more than the standard 1TB model. While this positions it as the most expensive Steam Deck variant, it remains competitive against the ROG Ally's top configuration. The exclusivity factor and included accessories help justify the price increase, especially considering the limited production run. Regional pricing varies, but Valve maintains proportional allocation across all markets to ensure fair availability. The restriction of 1 unit per eligible Steam account helps prevent scalping, though the limited nature of this release might affect aftermarket values once the initial stock sells out. The Steam Deck OLED White Edition is undoubtedly an impressive piece of hardware, delivering an enhanced visual experience, refined design, and exclusive accessories. The stunning white aesthetic, HDR OLED display, and improved efficiency make it the ultimate version of Valve's handheld. However, if you already own the original Steam Deck, particularly the OLED model, the $679 price tag is hard to justify for what's essentially a design upgrade. While the exclusive carrying case and digital bonuses add collector's appeal, they don't significantly enhance the gaming experience. For newcomers to the Steam Deck ecosystem, this limited edition offers a premium entry point with its striking design and full feature set. For existing owners, though, it's better viewed as a collector's item rather than a meaningful upgrade. Thanks for watching. Do you think this new limited edition Steam Deck is worth the value? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel to get regular updates like this.